Hi all, ski instructor Valery is with you, and today's topic will seem very funny to some because we will learn how to walk properly in ski boots. But I'm sure it will be useful to everyone, for beginners and advanced skiers alike, even snowboarders. First way, if you are walking on a flat surface, roll from heel to toe. The second way, if you are going up a hill, it will be best to beat the toes of your boots in the snow. If you are going downhill, then just kick your heels into the snow. And so, that you do not have to walk a lot in ski boots, subscribe to the channel and press the bell, then I will teach you how to ski.